What's up, y'all? This video is taken from the UIKit course that I recently released. We cover programmatic UI, core data, Firebase, user authentication, and much more in the course. Link to it will be in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, let's get set up with Firebase. So we're just gonna go to firebase.google.com, go to console, create a new project, call this Explore, enable Google Analytics. We'll enable it in case you guys want to use it in the future. Hit create project. All right, so now our project is ready, and we want to go to Apple. Okay, and get this set up with our bundle ID. You're gonna go here to our project. All right, so we go to sign in and capabilities. Make sure you're on targets, sign in capabilities. Copy this, paste it here. You can have an optional name for the app. This is if you put it in the app store. We're gonna hit continue, and then we gotta download a plist. So we're gonna download this plist, and I like to just, I guess never. I like to just grab this here and then drag it into our project. Make sure you drag it into this Explore one. Otherwise, you might get some issues in the future. And I already see a potential issue. When you're working with the plist from Google /Firebase, you want to make sure there is anything after this. So this one here will cause an error, and it won't run. So that means we have to, let me move this to trash. Oh, I gotta download it again. All right, so I'm gonna download it again. Place it here. Copy items if needed. Let's check that. There we go. I checked on copy items if needed, and that it was just pointing to the file that I had in the downloads location. But when I hit copy if needed, then it created a copy, and then I was able to freely change this. All right, so then we hit next. And this is how you add the Firebase SDK. What do we need? We need to go to CocoaPods. Pod init, we already did that. And then we just have to bring in all the ones that we want. So where can we view all the, all right, here we go. So I think it's this one, yeah. So we want to bring in Firebase auth. So go in here. Let's put this side by side. All right, and we're basically just going shopping for CocoaPods. I believe we're gonna use Firebase Firestore. Firebase storage. All right, we're just gonna bring these in for now. Oh, and I think we need to bring in analytics because we asked for that at the beginning. All right, so let's hit next. And actually we need to do something. So I'm gonna close this. I hit Command S to make sure it's saved. Go back to our terminal, and we need to do pod install again. Analyzing dependencies. And this is gonna download all these ones that we added here. All right, this is going through. So you have any issues, you have the Discord, you also have the comment section. And also, of course, Google. Google is a great resource when you run into issues. Like, for example, working with pods, I found that on the M1 Mac, sometimes you run into weird issues when you're working with CocoaPods. And yeah, it might be different if like you have an M1 Mac or an Intel Mac. It's Just small things like that can really cause random errors. So if you do run into one, you have the comment section, you have the Discord, and you have Google, of course. So just reach out to one of those. I'll be checking it pretty often to make sure there isn't anything. Sorry about that. So our CocoaPods just finished installing. Let's try import Firebase. There we go. All this stuff is showing up. So looks like we're good to go. All right, and now we just want to go to our app delegates, import Firebase core, and in this did finish launching, we can comment this out, and I'm going to copy this, put this in here, hit, actually wait, Swift, whoa. I was looking at Swift UI, that's why it looks so different. All right, but basically, yeah, it's the same. So it's Firebase core, Firebase configure, we did that. Next, continue to console. And what I'm gonna do for now, we're gonna put Firebase aside. Let's try to run this. This should be able to run without any errors. And it's gonna take a second too, since we just brought in all those CocoaPods. It's gonna take a second. We're gonna run this and see what happens. All right, so our build just succeeded. Simulator's running up. And if this runs smoothly without any issues, like it doesn't just crash, then we should be good to go. All right, there we go. And looks like our Firebase is working. Yeah, like it says Firebase analytics collection enabled. Something with analytics. I think there's a little small thing. That's what that event is. So we're good to go. I'm ready. You guys ready to start coding? Like, let's start actually building something that we can see, right? So that's what we're gonna do in the next video. I'll see y'all there. Peace.